Guys, I told you guys that I would film myself putting the tent up at some point. Well, that point has come because I guess I have magnets. I think I'm gonna have to put you here. And the reason that time has come is because I'm gonna use this as my bathroom while we're here at Lake Havasu. And at night I'll bring the toilet into the van with me, but during the day, because I'm leaving the van open and catching a breeze, I don't want to have to close everything up to use the bathroom every time I need to pee. So it looks like you can see, so this is my tent. It is called a, let me get it. Here, I'll show it to you. First Up Outdoor Shelters is the brand. And 11 foot by 9.5 foot First Up Hex Dome. Rapid Creek. It's from Northwest Territory. They don't make this exact tent anymore. So you probably won't be able to hear me when I get over there because the wind is blowing. Anyway, I'm going to put it up so you can see how quickly this tent goes up. And it is a 4 to 5 person tent. And it is, I can't read upside down. In the middle of the tent is 9 foot 5 inches. The width is 11 feet. Yeah. No, sorry. Yeah, I think that's right. If I'm reading that right. Height 65 inches. Something like that. Anyway, it's almost 6 feet in the middle. That's it, it's up. So I don't know how long that took me, but it wasn't very long. And you can see it's quite big in the middle. And I will have to put the stakes down, and I'm standing. So yeah, I guess it's about, I'm 5'4", so I guess it's not quite 6 feet like I thought. So it's 65 inches or 66 inches. So not quite 6 foot in the middle. But I can stand completely up in it, completely upright in it. And I've got plenty of floor space if I wanted to sleep in here, which I don't. And what I did was I permanently zip tied the rain fly on, so every time I set it up the rain fly is already on it, because otherwise all of this screen would be see-through. And because I use this as my bathroom, I'm always going to have the rain fly in it. Now, I do have to put the stakes, which are here. I'll have to stake it down because it's a lot of wind in the desert, so I will stake it down. And this will just stay in here. I'll put the toilet in here, and this is where I'll come to the bathroom during the day. And then at night, the toilet goes inside with me. So when I have to use the bathroom in the middle of the night, I'm not having to come out here in the middle of the night because it's very rocky, and I just don't want to come completely out in the middle of the night. So this is my camp so far here at Lake Havasu. There's a toilet I plan on selling and a bin of stuff that's freebie. Found this cardboard on a walk, so I'm gonna burn that in the fire. Here's my chair with my umbrella. I brought the table out to give me more room. And someone gave me a nice stool for my toilet. Remember I was talking about a stool for my toilet? I got one. So during the day, it'll just be like this, you know, strapped up when I'm driving. And then at night, I flip it over and I can sit it on here so that I have the height that I need. Because remember, it was so low to get out of it. So I'm going to take this right now and go put it in the tent, and then I will get my whatchamacallit, get my IKEA hammer that has the little rubber tip that you put on it that acts as a whatchamacallit, it acts as a mallet, a rubber mallet. There's a tip. IKEA, I'll show you the kit. $7.99 at IKEA. It's this tool kit. And it pretty much has all your basic tools in it, and it's $7.99. So you've got all this, the heads for the screwdriver and the handle for the screwdriver. You've got a, what is this? A wrench, a plier, and then a rubber tip for the hammer that makes it a mallet, which is what I would use for my stakes. That's Jamie playing his music. He's right across from me. So you put the tip on the hammer, and now it's a rubber mallet. And then the screwdriver is just a handle with a hole, a hexagon hole, and it has all these tips for everything you can need. And each tip has, I don't know if you can see that, it tells you what it is, a picture. So yeah, I'll show you Jamie. His bus anyway. I just chatted with him. He's over there talking to a woman. But there's Jamie's bus, so I'm right across from Jamie. It's funny, he showed up last night and I was like, oh shoot, I get to be right across from Jamie. Famous, enigmatic, nomadic is right across from me. So I'm gonna hammer in, or stake in, the ground, my tent so it doesn't blow away in the middle of the dang night when the winds get higher. It was really, really nice last night. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm hoping you can hear me and I don't have to do a voiceover ever again in life. I've decided I'm going to have to break down and get another phone from Cricket when I get the money. And I found that this phone that I have is the LG Stylo 2, and Cricket has the LG Stylo 3 now. So I'm probably gonna just have to get that because it's $150, and then I think it's $25 fee or something. I don't know. So $175 with tax. It'd be nice if I can get it while I was here, because I think Jamie's going to do a P.O. box or something in town so that people can order their supplies for the build. So it'd be nice if I could get it while I was here, but I don't think I'm going to have the funds to support myself while waiting to get a job. So that's probably not going to happen. Oh, and just so you guys know, Miss J was here last night. She went to Las Vegas to go get her minivan and get some stuff done to it here at the build. So that's going to be pretty cool, right? I might end up having to put 2 stakes in each place. All right, I'm gonna go finish staking down my tent, and there'll be videos all through the week, guys. I think later on tonight you might get a schooly video. There's a school bus here that he's willing to do a tour on camera, so look for that, guys. Woo! See you later.